nakakapunta at ako lang talagang masama ang pakiramdam. We wish you more birthdays to come and more blessings to come, and stay what you are. Thank you for everything, for the great advices and all. Stay strong sa inyo ni Nino. Love you all. Mama.
Birthday, sana'y marami ka pang birthday na pagdaanan at sana'y tayo'y magkasama-sama pa muli. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Birthday! Rest sa akin. Ikaw lang hipag kung napakabait.
Hindi naman.
Yan.
Happy birthday, Tita Rose! More birthday to comes!
Okay.
Maligayang karawan, Maring Rose. Sana'y maraming birthday ang dumana sa iyo at maraming blessings
Hindi mo na ako.
para sa iyo sa ngayong taon na to at sa mga susunod na taon. Maraming salamat at happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Rose. Sana maging malusog ka. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami Rose.
Alright.
Happy birthday, Rose. Happy 50th birthday. Sana'y magkaroon ka ng magandang kalusugan at lumaki na para hindi na masabi ni Gabing 27 years old ka lagi. Happy birthday, love you. Come on. Happy birthday, Mami Rose.
Birthday, Mommy Rose. Happy birthday, Mommy Rose. I love you, Mommy Rose.
Happy birthday, Mami. More birthdays to come. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy. Wala.
Sana'y happy birthday at kulang ang handang ito para may pagdaos. Pero ginawa natin ang para na magkaroon ka ng handa at happy birthday at yan ay deserve mo. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.